Welcome to the heart of adventure, where every corner tells a story, and every destination beckons with its own unique allure. Brazil, a land of boundless beauty and cultural riches, is waiting to be explored. Today we embark on a journey to discover the top 10 must-visit places that define the soul of this incredible country. Our adventure begins in the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro, where the rhythm of samba fills the air and the stunning coastline captivates the soul. From the heights of Sugarloaf Mountain to the pulsating energy of Copacabana Beach, Rio is a melting pot of culture and natural splendor. As we journey further, the flavors of Brazil come alive. In Salvador, the heart of Afro-Brazilian culture, the tantalizing aroma of Bahian cuisine takes center stage. From acarajé to moqueca, each dish tells a story steeped in tradition and history. The Amazon rainforest, a treasure trove of biodiversity, invites us to immerse ourselves in its unspoiled beauty. Here, the harmony of nature whispers tales of ancient wisdom, offering an unforgettable encounter with the wild soul of Brazil. Behold the awe-inspiring wonder of Iguazu Falls, where nature's grandeur takes center stage. The sheer magnitude of these falls leaves visitors speechless, a testament to the raw power of Mother Nature. In the northeastern gem of Olinda, time stands still amidst cobblestone streets adorned with vibrant hues. The rich history and artistic flair make this UNESCO World Heritage Site a feast for the senses. Journey back in time to Ouro Preto, where the echoes of Brazil's colonial past resonate through its charming streets and Baroque architecture. This living museum invites us to uncover tales of bygone eras. Underneath the azure waters of Fernando de Noronha lies a world of wonder, where vibrant coral reefs and playful dolphins create an aquatic paradise, beckoning adventurers to explore its depths. São Paulo, a metropolis pulsating with creativity and diversity, welcomes us with open arms. From its dynamic street art scene to the vibrant cultural melting pot, this city never ceases to amaze. Venturing into the heart of Chapada Diamantina, we're greeted by an otherworldly landscape adorned with towering peaks and cascading waterfalls. This natural playground offers adventurers an exhilarating experience amidst its hidden caves and crystal-clear pools. Paraty, a coastal gem frozen in time, whispers tales of Brazil's past through its well-preserved colonial architecture. As we wander through its streets, the allure of this historical treasure and its tranquil beaches captivate our senses. Embark on an expedition into the vastness of the Pantanal, a natural marvel teeming with diverse ecosystems and unparalleled wildlife. Here, the untamed wilderness invites us to witness the dance of nature, where jaguars roam freely and vibrant bird life fills the skies. From the bustling cities to the serene natural wonders, Brazil's tapestry of experiences awaits. Each destination we've uncovered is a testament to the rich tapestry of cultures, flavors, and adventures that define this incredible country. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let Brazil weave its magic on your soul. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable expedition, and let Brazil's beauty unfold before your eyes. Remember, the world is full of adventure, so go out there and explore it for yourself. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.